Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 400, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 400, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 400 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 400 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 400 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. Let's now start with the first topic. What's the meaning of angel number 400? Angel number 400 signifies a message from the divine realm emphasizing the importance of building a strong foundation in your life. The number 4 represents stability, practicality, and hard work, while the double zeros amplify the spiritual aspects, symbolizing potential and the beginning of a spiritual journey. Together, they encourage you to trust in your path, remain diligent, and focus on your long-term goals. This number serves as a reminder that your efforts are recognized, and with patience and perseverance, you will achieve your desired outcomes. What's the symbolism of angel number 400? Symbolically, angel number 400 combines the energies of determination and infinite potential. The presence of number 4 emphasizes the need for discipline and building solid foundations, while the zeros highlight the spiritual journey and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. This number encourages you to align your physical actions with your spiritual aspirations, ensuring that your endeavors are grounded and purposeful. It's a call to balance your material pursuits with spiritual growth, leading to holistic development. What is the angel number 400 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 400 is a powerful sign of divine support and guidance. It indicates that your angels are with you, offering assistance as you embark on or continue your spiritual journey. This number encourages you to deepen your connection with the divine, trust your intuition, and remain open to spiritual insight. It's a reminder that your spiritual growth is integral to your overall well-being and that the universe is supporting your endeavors. What does the angel number 400 mean for love? In matters of love, angel number 400 emphasizes the importance of building a stable and honest relationship. It encourages you to invest time and effort into nurturing your connection, ensuring that it's based on trust and mutual respect. For singles, this number suggests that a meaningful relationship is on the horizon, provided you remain open and true to yourself. It's a call to approach love with sincerity and commitment, laying the groundwork for lasting happiness. What does angel number 400 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 400 signifies stability and the strengthening of your spiritual bond. It suggests that both you and your twin flame are on the right path, working towards personal growth and mutual understanding. This number encourages patience and trust in the journey, reminding you that the universe is guiding your connection. It's a sign that your efforts are aligning, bringing you closer to a harmonious union. What does angel number 400 mean for manifestation? Angel number 400 is a potent indicator that your manifestation abilities are heightened. It encourages you to focus your thoughts and intentions on your goals, trusting that the universe is working in your favor. This number reminds you that with determination and a clear vision, you can bring your desires into reality. It's essential to maintain a positive mindset and take actionable steps towards your aspirations, knowing that your efforts will bear fruit. How does angel number 400 affect finances? In financial matters, angel number 400 suggests that your hard work and dedication will lead to stability and abundance. It encourages you to continue managing your resources wisely and to remain disciplined in your financial decisions. This number is a reminder that building a secure financial foundation requires patience and consistent effort. Trust that your diligence will pay off, leading to long-term prosperity. What does angel number 400 mean for former relationships? Regarding former relationships, angel number 400 indicates the importance of closure and learning from past experiences. It encourages you to reflect on previous connections, understand the lessons they offered, and release any lingering negativity. This number suggests that by healing and letting go, you create space for new, healthier relationships to enter your life. It's a call to embrace personal growth and move forward with clarity and purpose. How does angel number 400 guide your work life? In your professional life, angel number 400 emphasizes the value of hard work, discipline, and building a solid foundation for your career. It encourages you to stay focused on your goals, remain patient, and trust in the process. This number is a reminder that success doesn't come overnight but through consistent effort and dedication. By aligning your work with your values and maintaining integrity, you'll achieve lasting fulfillment and recognition. What are the strengths of angel number 400? The strengths associated with angel number 400 include resilience, determination, and a strong sense of purpose. Individuals influenced by this number are often disciplined, reliable, and committed to their goals. They possess the ability to build stable foundations in various aspects of life, ensuring long-term success. Additionally, their spiritual awareness allows them to navigate challenges with grace and seek guidance when needed. What are the weaknesses of angel number 400? Potential weaknesses linked to angel number 400 include rigidity, resistance to change, and an overemphasis on practicality. Individuals may become so focused on structure and stability that they neglect spontaneity or emotional expression. It's essential for those influenced by this number to remain open to new experiences and to balance their disciplined nature with flexibility and empathy. Angel number 400 is a powerful and spiritually significant number that combines the grounded energy of the number 4 with the amplified potential of double zeros. At its core, this number is about establishing solid foundations, aligning your efforts with your spiritual path, and trusting the divine guidance surrounding you. The number 4 represents hard work, dedication, discipline, and reliability. The number 0, appearing twice, amplifies spiritual energy, representing wholeness, eternity, and new beginnings. Together, 400 calls on you to build your life on stable ground while staying spiritually connected. In love, angel number 400 signifies the importance of trust, stability, and honest communication. It encourages partners to work on their relationship foundations and create lasting bonds. For twin flames, this number is a sign of divine timing and spiritual alignment, guiding both souls toward union with patience and mutual growth. Financially, angel number 400 reassures you that your diligent efforts will lead to security and abundance. It advises wise planning and persistence in achieving long-term financial goals. In your work life, this number supports discipline and integrity, pushing you to align your career path with your values and purpose. Spiritually, angel number 400 is a reminder that divine beings are guiding you. You're on the right path, and your spiritual efforts will pay off. The number strengthens your ability to manifest goals, provided you remain grounded and spiritually aligned. The strengths of angel number 400 include responsibility, resilience, and focus. However, its weaknesses can include being overly rigid or resistant to change. Learning to balance structure with openness is key. Ultimately, angel number 400 encourages building a life of purpose, stability, and spiritual truth, where discipline meets divine guidance. It's a sign you are supported in your journey, especially when working diligently toward your higher goals.